In this lecture, we will be talking about resource leveling in MS Project. As a project manager, you do not want your resources to be over allocated. You want every resource to be properly used so that there is an even distribution of the workload. So MS Project calculates the resource leveling and try to resolve the resource over allocation issue in the project. So in this video particularly, we will be discussing two options about resource leveling, that is level resource and level all. Now, what does level resource means? That this will help me to level a particular resource, whereas level all, this means that it will distribute and it will level all resources evenly among the project. So let's do this practically in a project. So if you can see that by looking at the window, in order to explain you these concepts, I am using this by default MS Project commercial construction project file. So when I scroll down, you can see on the screen, there are red icons against various tasks that shows that this particular task has over allocated resource. So I can see at the Gantt chart view or under the resource name column, I can see this task has two resources. If we talk about this one, right? This resource has two resources in the Gantt chart view, and under the resource name, it has two resources. So that is showing that it is over allocated. So as the name suggests, that resource leveling will help me adjust this particular resource. So how I will be doing this? I will simply go to resource tab, and in the resource tab, I will click on level resource, right? So the moment I will click on level resource, a pop-up window will appear with multiple options of my different resources that are associated with this project. So from here, I will select the particular resource that I want to level and click on level now, that needs resource leveling, that are GC General Management and GC Project Management. The moment you will click on level now you can see the changes on both sides on MS Project Gantt chart and on the task side as well. It will automatically level this particular resource, right? You can see here. It has also adjusted the duration of the entire project in such a way that the resources are properly used for each and every task. Now there is no over allocation for this particular resource. This particular resource has adjusted in such a way so that it altered the duration and adjust the resource for the particular task. So what has happened here, that after finishing the particular task, here I'm talking about, can you see in the Gantt chart view? I'm talking about these two particular resources. That after finishing this particular task, it has moved, this resource has moved to the next, and then to the next, and then to the next in order to level. So what does level resource means? That it adjusts itself in such a way that the duration is altered so that all my resources are evenly used. So that was about level resource. So let's discuss about level all, the other option. To perform that function, I will control Z and undo the level resource function. So I will again go to resource tab to perform this function. And then you can see this same option of level all, right? So the moment I will click this level all option, you can see that it has adjusted all the resources accordingly by altering the duration of the particular project. Can you see all those red icons are removed, and it has automatically adjusted the duration and all the resources that you can view on the Gantt chart view. So using these two options, I can level my resources and can ensure that my project runs smoothly. So this was about a resource leveling topic. Thank you.